This video demonstrates how to use post functions in JMWE for Jira Cloud to close a story when all of its subtasks are closed. This automation helps keep your board current and saves your team valuable time. To do this, we'll use the transition issue post function in our workflow. The post function will trigger when moving a subtask to the released status, and will check if all subtasks for the parent issue are also released. If they are, the post function will move the parent issue to released as well. To begin, open the workflow to which the post function should be added. In this example, we'll add the post function to the past QA transition. Select the transition in the workflow editor and click the Add button under Perform Actions. Select the Transition Issues post function and click Select. For target issues, select Parent Issue. Click the Transition Picker button to select the transition that will be triggered when the post function runs. In this example, we'll select the same workflow and transition as the one triggering the post function. Click Use Transition ID. Click Advanced Options, and then click Settings. Check the box for conditional execution. Conditional execution uses a Nunjucks script that returns either true or false to determine if the post function should run. Enter the following script. Click Add. The post function will now run only when a subtask is closed and all subtasks for the parent issue are closed. Verify that your post function is working correctly by creating a work item with subtasks and then close all of its subtasks. Thanks for watching.